This video is going to show you how to apply your adhesive Velcro tape to your shield. First, you start with about 36 inches of the adhesive back Velcro tape. Line it up carefully with the edge of the shield and take off the backing. You want to get this part perfect. Make sure that you visually line it up before you let it stick to the shield. That way it'll be as straight as possible. And then take off the backing and leave a little at the end so you can cut it, and take a pair of sharp kitchen scissors and just snip it off right there at the curve before it starts to curve. And repeat the same exact thing with the other side. Now your kitchen scissors might get gummed up a little from the strong adhesive. You can clean that off with some WD-40, which I have to do frequently. Once you get the sides done, then you pretty much do the same thing on the bottom. You start where the shield begins to curve so that it doesn't stick out past the curved area. And because this is longer, you really want to get it lined up really well. It's really hard to get the Velcro off the shield once it sticks on there. So get it right, but you can course correct a little bit by pulling the Velcro in one direction or another as you are removing the backing and sticking it to the rest of the shield on the bottom edge. Stop where the shield starts to curve, or if you have a corner, if you have a different mask or a different shield, just chop off the end and remove the backing, and then you got to get the little gaps on the corners. So to do this, you could measure it beforehand, which I didn't do in this video, but you just kind of stick it on there on the corner, line it up, cut it off, and then you can cut off the overlapping pieces, which I did here, although it was kind of tough taking the video inside of the photo box, so I did not do the best job. But that is kind of the general idea. I do it a little bit different when I ship out the shields to people, but this way is much easier, and much easier to explain as well. It takes less time, and it fits the Shieldkerchiefs really, really well, because that is how I put the shape of the Velcro when I put it on when I, or a member of my shop, sews it onto the Shieldkerchief. So just repeat the same thing on the other corner. Snip it off, remove the backing, cut off any overlapping parts or parts that are sticking outside of the shield, and then you're done. Here's the finished product, cleaned up of the little pieces of adhesive Velcro that stuck. Hope this helps you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.